With the item card, we have the ability to configure a vendor's item for some purchase prices. And so from the example item that we've used in our previous tutorial, from the item card, we're just going to go to purchase prices. And here you can see we've got a price list that's been created. Now, you do get the ability to have multiple purchase price lists. I'm going to go in and take a look at what we've done here. So I've loaded my 3 vendors. The first one is Right Size 365, and then there was vendor code 10,000 and 30,000 that we'd set up previously. And I've put a scenario in here with the product, exactly the same product, buying an each at its base purchase configuration. Now, if we remember, it was 3 days lead time for the first item. It was a week and then a month. Okay, the month has a better buy price, but we've got to buy in bulk. All right, you'll notice that both of these are domestic, the second two, so it means they're both coming from overseas. And then the top one is export. This is domestic. The top one means I can buy it locally, but at the most expensive cost. So if I'm on push, I'll have to buy it domestically. If we're planning effectively, we can buy in bulk and save and increase our margins, etc. Some points here to think about when we're talking about prices. You can have a start and an end date. So your price list can expire and roll over, which is really cool. You're going to have multiple lists that are actually in different statuses of draft, active, and inactive. Okay, you can have price lists in multiple currencies for items. So you can have a price of what you sell it for in AUD. You can have a default price. You can have a USD price, an NZD price, and cover that with your price list. So with my price list here, if I wanted to, which I can say suggest lines. I will take everything, and with that, it's going to turn around and give me everything that should be on this price list for me to start configuring up for a particular vendor or whatever I'm wanting to do. So there are tools in here that help you fast track it. Once you've done what you need to do, you can verify. It verifies all the lines, and that's just become the latest price list. Other than minimum quantity, you've got these settings that allow you to flick on and allow this to, it allows the price to mix with the discounts, whether you do or whether you don't. So some customers say, no, I will not allow this price at the same time as the discount code. And the pricing we're showing here includes GST. So it allows you to set that, that configuration there to really set you up for success. All right, so that's how we actually build out a purchase price list from vendors. Some of our customers will use an EDI standard, which is called PriceCat. So we're a SPS Commerce partner. SPS gives us the ability with distributors that have a healthy EDI network to actually get PriceCat. We can inject it into here, and it updates your purchase price list automatically every time there's a change on their side, which means we always get the latest pricing in the system. So that's pretty cool. Now, other than that, we really have a separate consideration here, which is discounts, and we're going to cover that, purchase discounts, in the next video. Thank you.